Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by UPSC. Union Public Service Commission is going to recruit assistant engineers, livestock officers and assistant professors. So friends, before we begin our discussion, I would like to inform all of you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every recruitment notification updates every day. More specifically, all the engineering recruitment notifications. So if you are watching our videos for the first time and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any coming updates. So friends, coming back to the analysis of this recruitment notification, as you can see here on the screen, UPSC is going to recruit engineers, livestock officers and professors. All the posts are regular, that is permanent, and place of posting will be multiple cities of the country. The first post is for livestock officer, as you can see here. For livestock officer, total number of vacancies 3, 1 for SC, 1 for OBC, 1 for unreserved category of candidates. Bachelor's degree in veterinary sciences required and an animal husbandry, and registration in the Veterinary Council of India is also required, and apart from that 3 years post qualification experience is also required. Age limitation is 35 years as on 1st of October 2020, and exemption in age is permissible as per government norms, that is 5 years for SC and ST category of candidates, 3 years for OBC and 10 years for person with disabilities. Specialist grade 3 assistant professor anesthesiology, number of vacancies 62 and qualification is recognized MBBS degree, postgraduate degree in the concerned specialty, and at least 3 years post qualification experience is also required. Age limitation is 40 years as on 1st of October 2020. So next post is, friends, as you can see here, specialist grade 3 in assistant professor, educational qualification MBBS and post graduation. 3 years post qualification experience for this post is also required. Age limitation is also same. Coming to the next post, friends, specialist grade 3 assistant professor in general surgery. Recognized MBBS degree in general surgery is required and post graduation degree, 3 years post qualification experience and together with 40 years of age. The next post is for specialist grade 3 assistant professor in microbiology or bacteriology. Number of vacancies 15 and the category as vacancy, as you can see here, is 2 for SC, 1 for ST, 3 for OBC, 1 for economically weaker sections and 8 for unreserved category of candidates. Educational qualification MBBS degree followed by a post graduation degree, 3 years post qualification experience is required and age limitation is same as the previous posts. Specialist grade 3 assistant professor in nephrology, number of vacancies 12. You can see the category wise distribution. MBBS degree followed by post graduation, 3 years post qualification experience and 40 years age limitation. Then specialist grade 3 assistant professor in pathology, number of vacancies 17. Educational qualification is MBBS followed by post graduation, experience and age limitation is same as the all previous posts. And specialist grade 3 assistant professor pediatric nephrology, number of vacancies 3. MBBS degree followed by post graduation and 3 years post qualification is required and also maximum age limitation is 40 years. Now coming to the next post, that is specialist grade 3 assistant professor in pharmacology, number of vacancies 11. Educational qualification is same, that is MBBS followed by post graduation, 3 years post qualification experience and age limitation is 40 years. Now coming to assistant director, qualification is master's degree in statistics, operation research or mathematics, 3 years post qualification experience is required and age limitation is 35 years. Now assistant engineer, for assistant engineer number of vacancies only 1. Qualification is bachelor's degree in drilling or mining or mechanical engineering or civil engineering or electrical engineering or petroleum technology from a recognized university. 1 year's experience is also required. Age limitation is 35 years as on 1st of October 2020. So friends, this was all about the various posts, and upper age relaxation as per government norms is permissible, what already I have mentioned, that is 5 years for SC ST, 3 years for OBC and 10 years for person with disabilities. So friends, candidate selection of the candidate will be through interview, as you can see here, or through recruitment test followed by interview. So though it has not been yet confirmed, This is the website by following which you can apply online. The direct link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following that direct link, you can apply online. And friends, I would like to inform you that application fee of rupees 25, only 25 rupees you have to pay. And if you belong to SC, ST category of candidates or person with disabilities or women, then you have no need to pay any application fee. And if you would like to download this notification, official notification, you can download the same from our Telegram channel, as well as a link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following that particular link, you can also download. Thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day ahead.